how to buy the Plankton in Pain token. So before we start, make sure this is not financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is the X account. Make sure to take a look at it. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's just by going and open it on CoinMarketCap. Now, after that, go to contract and copy the token address. This token came under the Solana network. Now, best choice to buy this token is going to Funds Wallet. Now, click on swap, and as you can see, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, from here, just paste the token address as you can see from here, and now as you can see, enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive, and select one of these providers, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information from here, and after that click on swap to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Plankton in Pain token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.